Hello YouTube, Mitch with I-95 Muscle. Gonna do a quick video with the Ranchero we just got in stock. Give you a chance to check it out a little bit. Nice paint job on it. Try to get close, see if you can see anything reflecting. Comment and let us know if you classify this as a car or a truck. I think the Ford El Camino a little bit. 289 in it. Runs great. Let me set you down for a second here. And I'll pick you back up. It's also a 4-speed. So that is pretty cool. Relays for the headlights. Somebody's been there before. Speakers were tucked up under there, so it's got 4 speakers to it. Sorry I can't hit the gas at the same time. It's a good sounding little car. Truck, char. And this is what our store looks like if you haven't been here before. But please don't just drive into the shop. Employees only. Thanks for watching.